Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this is for Friday, the last full week of 2020. This ends it. And the time right now on this December 18th is 9:35 a.m. Central Time. Well, you know, today's the day that Tesla, I believe, joins the S&P, so keep your eye on that. It'll be volatile. We saw consumer confidence come out, and it knocked the market pretty hard because it took a hit. In the metal markets, consolidation probably taking place, and for the first time in a while, the dollar's actually getting a little bit of a bounce. Hard to believe, isn't it? Energy markets not backing off at all. Bonds and notes very, very stable right here. And in the grain markets, the markets are trying to work themselves still back into the higher level. Bitcoin backing off from the 24,315 level. That's a big one in the March. So let's talk about what's going on, though, in the data. Third quarter account deficit came in smaller than thought. They were looking for 187 billion, came in 178.5. So there's 10 billion for one of the plans that we have for COVID relief, which, by the way, has still gone nowhere from everything I'm seeing. The Conference Board U.S. leading economic indicators, the November indicator up 0.6, the prior was up 0.7. It was expected up 0.5, so that's not bad. It's where you get to the lagging indicators that you see the setback and the coincidence indicators. Those are both worse. Today, the U.S. government runs out of funding unless the Senate decides to give it funding. I'm hearing that a few senators are getting so fed up that they won't vote to give the funding. The budget office has some excess funds for a few days that they can work with, but that won't work very long. No news, as I said, between Congress. I don't know where they're at on this bill. They've sworn they're not going home for the Christmas holiday. It's right in front of them, so what are they going to do? They'll let us know. The Federal Reserve is going to issue the results of the second round of this bank stress test. I haven't seen it yet, to be honest. And in Canada, Cargill reported a big outbreak at one of its plants up there, and it's going to have to close it down while things work out. Now, I've warned you, I thought that we were going to get that quicker in the United States at some of our meatpacking plants. Just hasn't happened yet, but I think that's more luck than anything else, and probably some good work by the plants themselves. But, you know, once people leave a plant and they get infected, they come back to work, there's only so much you can do at that plant. You can take temperatures all you want, but as we said, you can carry this virus and don't have any symptoms. Very, very hard way to go with it. Want to remind you that all good things come to an end. In my morning, my spider, and my full research videos, I'm talking the research where you purchase my research and you get the free charting software, that comes to an end today. So with today's passing and coming to the end of the week, that deal's off the table. There'll be no more deals this year, I can tell you that. And it's where we're all going. I know next week we're all going to be into this lighter volume trading as the markets adjust for year-end trading as well. Now, I put out a lot of trades in the morning, way more than you can imagine. And it comes out on our phones. It comes out if you have a tablet, the video, because you get to see the video in a number of different ways. I cover for you futures traders all these markets in a very certain way, and you have a scroll bar on the bottom of the video on our website so that you can get to the area you want unless you want to watch the whole video. Videos typically go 20-25 minutes. Then to make the video even better for the longer term trader, on Saturdays typically, I record just a weekly subscriber video. It's all weekly charts, all 40 of the markets. I'll flip them back and forth from them to the daily charts in there, giving you the longer term so you get rid of sometimes for you the daily noise. $7.95 if you just want to try it without getting the 1-year subscription. $156 is where it starts for this one. The Spider ETF videos, $159, and our combo package comes in at $286 for both the Spider and that. The course itself is $249.95. It is free, but after tomorrow, game is over. So I just sent out an email. If you were on our mailing list, you might want to look at it and go to our website and go under www.iraepstein.com. Go to research, buy anything there, or call my staff. They will certainly work with you. I'm Ira. You have a great day. I will see most of you again tomorrow. And for those of you that get my end of the day wrap up, look for them this evening. Take care now.